Restoration of the lost tribes of Israel shall soon begin miraculously. The Almighty God to all Israel, I shall soon restore to you as to where I have placed the lost tribes of Israel, including the lands and nations, plural, as to where predominantly they are even this very day, date, and time. Behold, I shall reveal to you, O Israel, these things with the fulfillment of that which was prophesied, declared, and written by the prophet Ezekiel over 25 centuries ago concerning the resurrection of the dry bones and the joining of the two sticks of Ephraim and Judah. Miraculous things I will bring upon Israel before the next 14 months elapse, 1 month for each of the named tribes of Israel. End of message. Thusly says the Almighty Lord God has spoken and written this day, date, and time of Wednesday, the 8th of April, 2020 at 2:35 p.m. American Eastern Daylight Time, Tampa Bay, Florida, the United States of America, the place where my godly holy name is meticulously and awesomely engraved. Published for Saturday, the 29th of August, 2020.